In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute someone on Instagram. So this is particularly useful if you don't want to block someone, but you also don't want to unfollow them, but you don't want to see their posts. So say you have some crazy aunt or something that like posts hundreds of pictures a day and you're just sick of seeing them, but you'd feel bad if you unfollowed. Well, you can just mute them. So you have to do this from your timeline. So go to your timeline, find one of their posts, and then in the top right corner, click the three dots and click mute. And so what it will do is it'll give you these options. You can either just mute their posts or you can mute their posts and their story. So whichever you want. I'll just mute the posts. Then that way, whenever I go through my timeline, I'll no longer see their posts. But if I want to see what they've been up to, I can go to their account. So here's a story here. Go to their account and oh, okay, here's some stuff that they've posted. But you don't have to block them and you don't have to unfollow them. You can just simply mute them. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to help you out.